You're now listening to BlizzCon 2017, all the news from Blizzard's biggest event of the year, Polygon. BlizzCon, the annual convention for all things Blizzard Entertainment, is upon us once again. It's been running for more than a decade now. BlizzCon 2017 is the 11th BlizzCon, and this year's show has the highest attendance yet. In addition to news on Blizzard games like Hearthstone, Heroes of the Storm, Overwatch, StarCraft 2 and World of Warcraft, expect details on the company's esports initiatives, including the Overwatch League, which will kick off in January with 12 teams from around the world. And of course, this time around, Blizzard is changing things up with its opening ceremony. The studio will present from 3 stages at BlizzCon: the main Mythic stage, the Overwatch Arena and the Hearthstone Tournament stage. BlizzCon 2017 runs from November 3 to 4 at the Anaheim Convention Center in Anaheim, California. Keep tabs on this story stream to follow all the news out of the show.